Kaway-kaway sa mga kanarsis natin na mahilig manood ng sine kasi we've discovered one movie theater here in Doha, Qatar, and that is in Doha Oasis Mall. You will see 3 entrance doors pero itong papasokin ninyo, so it will lead you straight to the Vox Cinema. By the way, Doha Oasis Mall is located in the heart of Musharraf, so they have this huge department store like Harvey Nichols style na wherein you can see yung mga branded, luxury, and designer items. So, perfect place din ito para sa mga taong mahilig mag-shopping. And this is me now, very excited nang manood ng sine. Actually, you can book your tickets online, which we did ng husband ko, and then have it printed na lang dito sa mga kiosk na makikita ninyo dito sa Cinehat. Yan, self-service tayo dito mga kanarsis. Well, napakadali lang naman bumili ng ticket kapag ikaw ay mag-walk-in dito sa cinema here in Doha Oasis. So, pipili ka lang kung anong gusto mo. Standard, naka-couch ka ba? Or 2D or 4D. So, we had the standard watching or the 2Ds and we chose the premium seat which cost only 50 Qatari Riyal. And apart from that, you can also buy your snacks here and just get it directly dun sa kanilang food counter. Diba? Napakadali na lang manood at mag-book ng inyong tickets here in Doha Oasis. And napakadali din naman magbayad. Now, once you're done ordering and buying your tickets, ayan, pwede na kayo magbayad using your debit or credit cards. And the machine will automatically print the food receipt and your ticket na ipapakita mo na lang dun sa movie theater personnel once you get in. And actually, here in Qatar, no, hindi talaga punuan ng mga sinehan dito. Kaya, no, rest assured na talagang merong proper distance. And yes, we did enjoy the movie dito sa Vox Cinema in Doha Oasis Musharraf. And ayan na nga ang inyong kanarsis, nakapag-aura pa. Kaya naman, babalik-balikan natin